It came all like disassembled, and I'll show you the instructions I got with it. It was pretty simple to put these things together. You get all the supplied tools, which is basically a little Allen key. So here's the shelf. I got mine in this kind of like maple looking style right here. Very simple. All you had to do was screw down these screws right here. So they went into the inserts on the shelf right there. Very simple. You get a high and a low. And I'm going to show you what I got mine for. I don't need the box anymore. So I got mine for because I have these kind of retro gaming consoles. There's a Super Nintendo. There's a Hyperon 5. And what I wanted to do, I wanted to put one in here like this. So I wanted this side to be for games and this side to be for gaming systems. So you can see I got all my Super Nintendo games right here. I want to line them up nice, and I got my Super Famicom games right there. Line that up, and then I can put just random stuff like controllers and things like that underneath it right here, and then have the system right up here, and then I can have all my other stuff right there. I like these things. They're originally made for shelves in like a cabinet shelf or something like that for cups, plates, but look how nice they kind of work for this. This is my entertainment center here. You can see it, and it sets up great like that. They seem to be, it holds this Super Nintendo very nicely. So if you guys want it for gaming consoles, it might be something you can use for that kind of looks better, because normally I just had them all laid out there on the floor. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the, the simple Houseware expandable shelves. See you all in the next video.